Newtown, Dasmariñas.
Very good, children. That's the energy. Yun ang energy na kailangan natin po, no? So again, Newtown Dasmariñas is a project developed by B Community Developers Incorporated. And if you notice here, exclusive residential privilege of the De La Salle Medical and Health Science Institute. So meaning po, marami na pong bumili from the De La Salle dito po kay Tower 1, no? So, of course, our top, sino bang ang mga top natin dito na top, ano pong tawag dito? Top na bebentahan ng projects. Sino? Kaya natin i-offer. Very good, students. Okay, so well, the project was actually developed based on the needs of the community. Ibig sabihin, hindi lang po si Newtown basta-basta itatayo dito. We do a lot of study, a lot of surveys. Ano ba ang kulang sa area ng Dasmariñas? Ano po ba ang meron sa Dasmariñas? University capital of Cavite. So, home of the driven. Newtown Dasmariñas is the city's newest, no? Home for growth and opportunity. Here, work and leisure find their ideas balance with leading institutions just minutes away and new possibilities always within reach, no? Thoughtfully designed amenities bringing the community together, support students in staying productive and nature overall wellness. So dito po kay Newtown Dasmariñas, we only have 3 types of room na kailangan yung tandaan o i-offer. First one is the studio, pero good thing because may option po. Studio with balcony or without balcony. The other one is 1 bedroom. And of course, the other one is combined units. So if your client is looking for a bigger unit, you can combine 2 studio. Okay, so wala po tayong 2 bedroom or 3 bedroom. Again, how many units we can offer? Studio, 1 bedroom, and combined units. Okay? So, madali lang po siya, right? So, again, ang priority po natin dito sa pagde-develop or pagpapatayo ng Newtown Dasmariñas, it's because of the students. Again, the property or the area or the locations is within Dasmariñas, and Dasmariñas is the university capital of Cavite.
Sir, yung combined unit, pwedeng i-open yung wall?
Yes, pwede po. So later, di-discuss din natin paano sila pwede i-open, paano sila i-combine, okay? So that's a good question. Pwede po sila i-open. Okay? So what we have here is the 4 brand pillars of Newtown Dasmariñas. First is Dream. Dream big with a home only minutes away from school, work, and play. Next one is Learn. Learn to start in building your dream lifestyle with flexible living spaces. Next is Share. Share your time with peers and like-minded community with our modern amenities and retail spaces. And of course, you can enjoy a home that keeps you close to your passions and routine, allowing more time and convenience every day. So, ang laki po ng magiging epekto niya, no? Especially for the parents or for the employees, for those who are working like here in Dasmariñas, pero uwian sila in Metro Manila. Vice versa, may mga taga Cavite na uwian din ang work nila from Metro Manila, di ba? So dito po, especially with the students, with the parents, with the employees, marami pong magiging benefit, no, sa Newtown Dasmariñas sa kanila. Especially that time, yung time of travel na 2 to 3 hours from papunta and pabalik ng work. Especially kung may mga kids, no? Hindi na po nila nadadatnan yung mga anak nilang gising. Pauwi sila, tulog na ang anak. Papasok sila ng work ulit, tulog pa rin ang anak. No? Nagkikita na lang sila every Saturday and Sunday. Okay? So, again, I mentioned a while ago, our priority is always client satisfaction. That's why kahit po Sulicom 18 years na siya sa industry, we still have our partner design team. No? Ano pong ibig sabihin ng partner design team? Okay, so sino kaya magiging partner ni Newtown Dasmariñas sa pagpapatayo ng building? So, our partner design is LPPA
Ma'am, wala pa
Design
siyang form.
Group. No?
Yung form na, no?
It's a urbanism, architecture, interior design. With more than 25 years of experience, the LPPA Design Group has earned a reputation for design excellence and has established itself as the country's leading architecture firms, winning multiple awards such as the International Property Awards and Philippines Property Awards. LPPA is elevating Newtown Dasmariñas to a new height. Again, they
Thank
are
you.
award-winning, no? At isa sila sa pinakakilalang architecture firms in our industry. Visible po sila saan? Sa Manila, saan pa? Sa Cebu and Davao. Okay? So, known for their award-winning project design such as Casa Mira Tower in Palawan, the Mantra Residences in Mandaue, and the Legazpi Tower 1 at the heart of Makati. So kung gusto niyo po mag-check in terms of their reputations, you can check their award-winning project. And who knows and who can tell by 2029, pag na-tayo na po si Newtown at na-turnover na, isa na po siya sa award-winning project nila. No? Dahil sa sobrang ganda ng ating design. Okay? So sino po ang ating partner design kay Newtown Dasma? LPPA Design Group. Ano po sila? It's an architecture firms. How many years na po sila in the industry? More than 25 years in the industry. So well, in terms of their reputation, wala na tayong question, no? Because again, they are more than 25 years in the industry. Okay? So everything is clear. So this one is part of your revalida or exam after the presentation. So all of you, since medyo konti lang tayo, 30 minutes presentation in front. Okay? Alright, so this is no joke. Since pumasok po kayo sa room na to, that's the policy. Hindi po ba sinabi ni Sir Jun? Okay, so nag-joke lang po ako. So, moving forward, ayan po. So, this is our Tower 1 and Tower 2. Please, don't get confused. Normally kasi pag sinabi natin Tower 1, normally nasa bungad. Okay? Normally nasa bungad yan. At piling natin, nasa entrance lang yan. Okay? So, our project, no? Our Tower 1 is actually located at the back of the property. So, meaning po, nasa pinakadulo siya. No? So, ayan, nakaka-surprise po ng ating presentation. So, hindi ko alam ano po nangyari. At the back of the property. So, ano po siya, pabaligtad, okay? So, this is the Anapur Road. At dito po tayo ngayon sa Tower 7. No? Itong office na to is actually the Tower 7 and this is the Tower 1. We are at the back of the property. So, ito pong likod na to. Okay? Hanggang sa dulo. So, nakuha niyo ba yung location?
Yes, sir.
Okay? So, harap lang po dito, straight lang ang tingin tukol sa pinakadulo ng property na to. Okay? So, the Tower 2, the Tower 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Which of this one? This one? Okay, ito po lang dito sa gilid. This is going to Crescent Subdivision. Yung nasa gilid natin. This is Crescent Hills.
Din ma'am, yung kalsada.
Okay, so doon po, that's the private property. Actually, private property po yan ng Crescent Hills. Kaya, wala po tayong mapigil entrance exit dito sa gilid and even this side. Dito lang po talaga sa may Anapur Road. Itong harapan lang. Okay, so wala tayong ibang access kung hindi itong harapan lang. Entrance and exit. Are we clear? Okay? So again, Tower 1 and Tower 2 and 3 are located at the back of the property. Okay, in looking for a property, ano yung number one na kinoconsider natin? Bakit natin siya bibilin? Always what? Number one, location. Very good po. Number two? Number two?
Prime location.
Another location. Very good. So, number one, location. Number two is location. Number three is
Location pa rin.
location again. Very good.
Kailangan ng
Yes
location.
po. And looking for a property, it's either end user. Pag sinabi kong end user, tayo yun. Bibili natin yung property for personal use. And for investors or investment, ito naman po yung paparentahan natin, i-resale natin, Airbnb or staycation. So, kung ano ka man doon sa dalawang option na yon, your top 3 priority or kino-consider is always location, location, location. Are we clear? Sa kanilang po yung presyo. Sa kanilang yung design.
Yeah.
Sa kanilang yung amenities. Okay? It always location, location, location. Which is, yung Taundas Marinas is strategically located where everything is within reach. From commercial establishments, schools and hospitals, you get the value and convenience living close to the things you need. Siyempre, pag bibili ka ng property, saan kailangan malapit? Sa school. Hospitals. Number one dyan is always hospital.
Yeah.
Lalo na po, kung ang mind mo or ang goal mo, hanggang pagtanda mo, dyan ka natitira. Okay? Our Newtown Dasma is a perpetual ownership. Ibig sabihin, it's a lifetime. Hanggang andyan ang building, hanggang buo siya, nandyan ka. Sa'yo siya.
So walang expiration.
No expiration. Meron po kasi mga for lease. No? Ito yung sinasabi nilang after 50 years, sorry, gigibahin na yung building. Bakit? Kasi po, iba ang may-ari ng lupa at iba ang may-ari ng developer.
Upahan lang.
Okay? So, nirenta niya lang ng 50 years yung lupa mo. After 50 years, gigibahin na yan.
Sabi nila pag condominium, perpetual rights lang daw.
Perpetual ownership po siya. Ibig sabihin, pag po ang developer siya ang may-ari ng lupa, it's perpetual ownership.
Paano yung perpetual? After 50 years, hindi ba yung yan?
Yun po yung leasing. Iba po ang may-ari ng lupa, iba ang may-ari ng developer. Okay?
Karamihan ng SM ganun, sir.
Sabi nila maraming gano'n, no?
Karamihan ng kondo
Okay.
kasi yung sinasabi sa amin.
Pero po, number one na kailangan nyo rin i-check kung perpetual ba siya or for lease.
Mag-vlog yan.
Alam nyo po kasi,
Ano yung pagkakaiba ng...
Narinig ko sinabi mo.
Pag-binlag mo yun.
ayun po yung 50 years.
Okay, for lease lang yun.
Yes, kung magkadirenta lang po ng developer sa may-ari ng
Oo.
lupa, no? Marami po yan. Sa may area ng, I think Monopacia, sa area ng, like in Boracay, ang mga property po doon is lahat for lease. For rent lang. Hindi po sila lifetime
O yung dito sa
ownership.
Talaba wala na eh. Yung condominium dyan.
Oo, nalis na.
Wala
Saan
na.
po yun?
Sa may Talaba.
Talaga.
Bacor.
Sa Bacoor. Okay, so...
Wala na, wipe out na eh.
Yung
Ayun.
kondo.
Oh, yung malaking condo. Tatlo.
Mga pogo po yan, no? So, marami actually, no?
Pag pogo,
Marami
wala
mga
na.
condo ang na-stop because of the pogo. So, ayun po. Well, depende yun sa usapan nila kung for this siya or binili nila yung lupa. Okay?
Ay, sir.
So, tayo po, it's a perpetual ownership. Sa developer po mismo ang lupa.
Pag
Okay?
perpetual, hindi na siya gigibahin after
Hindi na.
50 years.
Ay, hindi po. Okay, yung term na 50 years po, kasi mga, sino po dito ang house and land talaga? Kayo po, tayo po, no? Kasi ako, I started, joining sales, house and land po. Kaya isa rin po ako sa mga nanira dati sa mga kliyente. Huwag po kayo bibili ng kondo
Yes,
kasi
totoo yan.
after 50 years,
Oo,
gigibahin
wala ka
yan.
ng kondo.
Which is, it's not true.
Kasi yun ang yun ang palagi sinasabi.
Hindi
ng
po yun
mga-
totoo, no? Walang katotohanan yun. Okay, every 50 years, ang government po, chine-check niya ang property, ang building. Pag sinabi ng government, okay, pwede ba itong tirahan? Safe ba itong tirahan? So, pwede nyo ba itong tirahan? Tuloy-tuloy lang kayo. In fact, in the Philippine history, ang mga condominiums umaabot ng more than 100 years. At marami pa pong 100 years building na condominium ang nakatayo sa Pilipinas.
Bakit sa Makati, Biniba?
Okay? So, pag po giniba ng building, ibig sabihin,
Wala na.
hindi na siya pwede.
Hindi, pag iniba, ano na lang yung rights ni buyer?
Okay, as a unit owner po,
Yes.
meron pa po kayong rights, no? Party po kasi kayo ng lupa. Okay. Pero paano ang earnings nyo doon? Ang share nyo po doon is depend on the square meter of your property.
Yeah.
Okay? So, pwedeng tatayuan ulit, pero kayo ang mag-fund. Or either, bibenta nyo ang lupa para may bumalik sa inyo. Pero, pag po nangyari yon, yung ROI or return of investment mo, sulit na. Nakuha mo na. Either, hindi ka na doon nakatira. Or either, wala ka na sa mundo. Okay? Bago pa man yung mangyari. Pero again, napapamana po siya.
Malaki yun ang sinasabi.
Okay? So, inside the condominium, mabilis ang ROI. Never nag-depreciate ang value. Okay? So, yun ang pinakamagandang one of the best investment na pwede nyo panghawakan in terms of condo selling. Kahit kung matagal na ang building, mabibenta nyo po siya ng mahal. Okay? So again, lagi natin kino-consider is always location. Location, location. So, nasan nga po ba tayo? We are in a progressive community. Dasmariñas, Cavite is a prime address in the south, no? It's strategically located just 30 kilometers from Metro Manila with easy access via SLEX, MCX, Cavitex, and Aguinaldo Highway. Sino po dito ang very familiar with the location? For sure tayong lahat, no? Familiar tayo pagdating sa Cavite. We are familiar with Imus, Bacoor, Gentry, Tansa, di ba? Alam na natin anong mga access road or way going to Metro Manila. At pinakamaswerte po is Cavite because you have all the easy access going in and out Metro Manila.
Saka maraming commercial area dito.
Yes, marami po talaga. Ito pa, as I mentioned, known as the University Capital of Cavite. Kaya maswerte ang Dasmariñas kasi nasa kanila yung title na University Belt. Kung sino po pamilya dito sa Recto? For sure doon kayo nag-aral, no? Sa University Belt, no? Sa may Recto. Same thing po with Dasmariñas.
Grabe ka lang. Kung doon nakagraduate.
Sa FPU ako, sir.
Recto University po ba?
FPU.
FAU. O, tama raw ka pala, sir. Kayo po.
Arellano.
O, Arellano, kayo po.
Nakalawakan ako, sir.
Kaloocan. Sir, Judy, kausan ka?
Sa PCCR ako, sir.
Oo. Sigaw, sir.
Capsule ako.
Kamsur? Bicol ka?
Hindi, capsule.
Kabso.
Kabso.
Cavite.
Cavite.
Cavite. Cavite ka talaga. Ikaw, ma'am, saan ka rin? Ano ba siya? So, ayan, no? Kung nakita niyo kung gaano progresibo yung University Belt ng Recto, same with Dasmariñas.
Pinakamaganda ngayon.
At ang pinakamaganda pa po ngayon, a lot of big universities are joining Cavite, especially DASMA. Kung familiar kayo o naririnig nyo, University of the Philippines is ongoing construction. Saan? Sa may Bilyar, di ba? Dininig ni Bilyar yung isang malaking lote niya for UP. What else? Ongoing construction, Ateneo. Saan?
Wala naman
Sa
daan yun,
Gentry,
sir.
di ba? Ang Gentry malapit lang sa DASMA.
Bukas na rin ang kala.
Ateneo.
Kasi po, ang pinaka-possible dyan, lahat ng nag-aaral ng Ateneo, majority umuwi ng DASMA. It's because sa Newtown sila nakatira. Okay? So, are we clear? So, ayun po, no? Again, we are very well known because Dasmariñas is the University Capital of Cavite. Aside from that, it is also a home to a major industrial parks, top schools, shopping hubs, and medical centers. With its central location and thriving economy, Dasmariñas offers the perfect balance of urban convenience and provincial charm. Okay? So, in terms of the location, we are very accessible. Okay? Yes, we are very accessible. Seamlessly connected through major expressways. And yung sinasabi ko na you have all the easy access going in and out. Okay? Enjoy a stress-free travel to and from Newtown, Dasmariñas with a direct access to key expressways like SLEX, MCX, and Cavitex, no? Just 30 kilometers or 15.2 kilometers via MCX, XLEX through Danghari Road. This okay. Nagulat ako, may dalawang audience. Through Danghari Road, this community offers much convenience and of course, making daily commutes faster and more efficient. So lalo na pag ang LRT extension pumasok pa ng Cavite. Diba? Eh ngayon nasa SM Sukat na po siya. Mas lalo po tayo magiging accessible. So first, ano yung sinasabi ko naman na strategically located malapit sa schools, sa hospitals, sa mga malls, mga government offices, so ito na po yun. Malapit tayo sa De La Salle Medical and Health Science Institute, Cavite State University, Southern Luzon College, Emilio Aguinaldo College, De La Salle University, Dasmariñas High School, and National College of Science and Technology. And many, many more. Marami pa pong mga big universities and colleges na wala dito.
Yung Emilio,
Yes, ang maganda po natin, ang Emilio katabi lang halos ng De La Salle, no? Pero again, around Dasmariñas, marami pa pong mga big universities and colleges.
National University.
And youth, correct, National University. Lyceum, di ba? What else?
FEU, meron na sa Silang.
FEU.
Sa Silang,
Yeah, sa
meron.
FEU silang po, no? So,
PCU.
PCU, Philippine Christian, no? So, madami pa pong mga schools, no? Again, who knows ang UST? Baka nandito na rin next year.
No.
FEU is in Silang, no? So, at least yung mga yan, malapit-lapit lang dito sa atin. No?
TUP, malapit dito.
Saan pong PUP?
TUP.
Ang TUP, Technical University.
Dito lang, sir, sa may ano yan, sa may
Repunta sa Lawa.
Carlos Trinidad.
Yes, opo.
Carlos Trinidad.
Yes, correct. O, di ba? Ang dami pa. So, in terms of investment talaga, no, ang new town, hindi po siya, what? Hindi po siya mababakante. Especially if you are investors. Gagawin niyo siyang Airbnb, dormitel, or longer term lease, no? So, of course, aside from the school, ayan, mga malls and supermarkets, malapit tayo. And ito po, ang sabi ko sa inyo, kung ang priority mo is hanggang matanda ka na, so very important talaga ang ipa-priority mo is malapit sa mga hospitals and clinics or medical institutions. And of course, sports and recreation, kumpleto na po tayo dito. And the new City Hall, no, ng Dasmariñas, 5 minutes away from here. Sino na po dito nakabisit ng new City Hall ng Dasma? Kumpleto na po sila. They have the gymnasium, may oval sila, kumpleto po, no, in terms of sports and recreation. And of course, religious places, no? Kahit ano pa po ang inyong religion, kumpleto po tayo dito sa Dasmariñas. Okay? So, ito po yung mga landmarks, no, na malapit sa atin. Of course, as I mentioned, paglabas mo ng congressional or pagpasok mo ng congressional, lahat po ng mga schools nandyan na. And of course, ito na po yung connecting road going to the new City Hall. At pagpasok mo dyan, ang labas mo pa rin is congressional. And andito lang po sa side natin yung De La Salle Medical and Health Science Institute. Ito po yung extension. No? And of course, yung kanilang high school, senior high school, andito rin po sa area na to. So, later po, Sir June, you can look around the area. Pwede nyo puntahan yung De La Salle Medical and Health Science Institute para makita nyo gaano tayo kalapit. No? Okay?
Kabisado ko yung paikot-ikot dyan, sir. Kasi
Ayun. Pwede nyo po siyang pasukin, no, para po maging familiarize tayo.
Mamaya pwede ikutan.
Opo, ikutin po natin para makita natin. Para po pag pinento nyo sa mga sellers nyo, mas ma-excite din sila, no? Makita na, ito nga pala to. Okay? Alright? So, ito na po. Ito na yung highlights at pinaka-importante ng ating PKS, our project overview. Again, the location of our property is located along Anabo Road, Barangay Boroldas, Malinas, Cavite. And yes, we are on the exact site or location of the project. And development type, it's a mix of a residential and retail. Ibig sabihin, magkakaroon po tayo ng mga commercial no?
Sa loob?
Yes po, sa loob mismo ng Newtown. Pero, yan na. Pero let's focus first on the residential because commercial will be offered siguro po 3 to 4 years from now. Okay, so later I will discuss saan po located ang ating mga commercial. Okay?
Sir,
And of
question
course,
po. After po ba ng presentation, bibigay po kayo ng sales tip?
yeah, well actually you have the parang sales kit na pinaka-summary. Yan po yung hawak nyo ngayon.
Yan ma'am yung
And then we will take you a tour on the model unit, on the actual turnover and dress-up model unit. Okay? Pero ito pong sales kit na hawak nyo, that's the summary already.
Yeah.
Yung
Thank you,
ating
Ray.
i-discuss. Yes, later i-read nyo po siya. Andiyan yung mga important details. Okay? Please take note that the total land area of the property is 14,851.50 square meter and 7 towers lang po ang itatayo natin, meaning we are very low density. Mid-rise na po tayo, it's 8 to 12 story, and as I mentioned, low density, 1,565 units lang po tayo sa loob ng Town Dasmariñas. Please take note that out of that 14,851.50 square meter, 1,565 lang po kayong nakatira. If you will compare this development to other developers, that 40,000 po na square meter, meron po silang 15 towers. Instead of 1,565, they have 4 to 5 to 6,000 units. Yun po yung difference natin sa kanila. Okay? So meaning, hindi po tayo magbumukhang tenement in the future. No? So yun yung pinaka-importante. Again, in looking for a property, especially condominiums, you really have to check if the property is low density. Kasi po, yun yung magiging future home mo hanggang buhay ka. Diba? So, would you imagine living in that 40,851 square meter, out of that 7 towers, 1.5 lang kaming nakatira. This one is considered as a exclusive condominiums. Okay? So, everything is clear? Question? Anyone? So, everything is clear so far. Okay? So, as I mentioned, dito po you have only 3 types of rooms that you can offer, which is the studio, 1 bedroom, and combined unit. Ang importante, one of the highlight is that you can ask or you can offer a studio with or without balcony. And our all 1 bedroom is a 36 square meter with balcony. And of course, ang ating combined unit, pwede kayong mag-combine ng isang studio with balcony and isang standard studio without balcony. Okay, so later I will show you alin po ba yung mga units na pwede at hindi pwedeng i-combine.
Malaki yung floor area.
Okay? So ayan po, this is the whole site development plan of the new Town Dasmariñas. Kanina, i-discuss ko na sa inyo na huwag kayong magkaroon ng misrepresentation, especially on the location of the tower. 1, 2, and 3 are located at the back of the property. Okay? And then 4, 5, 6, and 7. Ang pinakamalapit sa daan is what?
7.
That Tower 7. Kung saan tayo ngayon naka-locate. Okay? So everything is clear?
Yes.
And of course, ito na po yung pinakapastad ng Tower 1 and Tower 2 natin. Any wild guess in terms of the amenities? How many amenities do we have here at Newtown? Wild guess?
6.
6? 7? Any wild guess? Any wild guess? Sir Jun, wag mo sasabihin. For sure, alam ko na.
5.
5? Any wild guess? 8? Okay, so secret na. Okay, kulang po yan. 6 lang na dyan. Okay, so we're so happy to share with you and
6.
inform you that Newtown Dasmariñas has almost the complete package of amenities because we only have 13
Yung
amenities.
13?
Dami.
Diba? We only have 13 amenities. Ano po lahat yun? Of course, we have the 24/7 security, swimming pool, play area, function room, fitness gym. What else? Co-working space, retail spaces, basketball court, linear park, jogging pad, basement parking, off-street parking, and view deck. Would you imagine? Almost complete. Wala na po kayong hahanapin pa. Sige nga, anyone? Meron pa ba kayong gustong amenities na wala dito?
Nandiyan na lahat.
Di ba? Some of the development, normally they only have 4 to 5 amenities. Pero kay Newtown Dasma, sinagad na po natin. Sobra-sobra pa. No? Okay? So, we will check nasan po ang mga amenities na yan. So, on the screen, this is the amenity floor plan. Good news for Tower 1, 2, and 3. Okay? Pag po ang sinabi ng kliyente nyo, ba't ganun? Nasa likod yung Tower 1. Gusto ko nasa bungad lang. O ma'am, antayin mo na lang yung Tower 7. Baka yung 22 square meter mo, nasa 7 million na by that time. Diba? So, good news for Tower 1, 2, and 3. All major amenities I've mentioned are actually located on this area. Again, all major amenities I've mentioned are all located on Tower 1, 2, and 3.
Sir, paano yung ratio ng ano? Parking?
Okay, for the parking, 8 is to 1 po. It's a first come, first serve. But for now, wala pa po tayo on the inventory and not yet for sale. So meaning po, kung ang Tower 1, they have 365 residential unit owner, ang parking po natin is roughly nasa 30 to 40 units lang. Ganun po siya kakonte. So it's a first come, first serve po. Okay? Clear? So far, wala pa po kayo problema sa parking kasi hindi pa siya for sale.
Pero konti, sir.
Konti lang po siya. But don't worry kasi po, ang area natin, hindi naman siya ganun ka layo sa highway. And dito po, wala kasing public transportation. No? So we have proposal from the government to have a shuttle. Kasi wala pong public. Well, may maraming tricycle. No, maraming tricycle in the area, but mas okay if we have like the shuttle exclusive for Newtown, no, papunta sa mga malls. Or going outside dito kay Annabelle Road, no? So, again, moving forward, going back to the amenities, ang meron lang pong amenities, no? Dito sa Tower 4, 5, 6, and 7 is the linear park. What else? The commercial. Lahat po ng nakita nyo color red on the floor plan or on the amenity floor plan, those are the commercial. Meaning, 4, 5, 6, and 7 tower, doon pa lang po magkakaroon ng mga commercial. And they are all located on the ground floor. And of course, meron silang view deck. Okay? So, yun lang po ang amenities na meron sila. But the rest of the mentioned amenities a while ago are all located on Tower 1, 2, and 3. Are we clear?
Magiging amenities din ba yung blue?
The blue one is the
Hindi,
swimming
yung
pool.
sa front.
This one, ito po, this is the sales lounge.
Okay.
Ito
Ito
po,
yung
nakita natin dito. And this one, ito po, okay, we will check kung ano itong mga naka-color blue na on this side. But it's not part of the amenities, no? So again, itong blue na to is sales lounge. Mamaya papasukin po natin yan. Okay? So far it's clear? Any question? None so far? Okay. So, ayan po yung ating sales lounge. Nandiyan na po yung mga model unit natin. And every time you have your client, dito po ang presentation. And of course, our linear park. So, ayan po, ganyan ka-open at kaganda ang ating linear park. And of course, ayan po yung magiging itsura in the future ng ating mga commercial. So, meron tayong coffee shop, mini-mart, for sure magkakaroon ng laundry area, water station, and many more. So for sure, sino po dito mga pet lover? Baka magkaroon pa tayo ng clinic dyan, no? Instead ng pang-taong clinic, mga pang-hand animals yung clinic, eh, no? So,
Yan yung mga commercial mo.
yes, yan po yung mga commercial. So, kahit matagal na pa po ang commercial, pwede nyo lang i-touch yung mga client nyo. Inform them that 2 to 3 years from now, we will offer the commercial.
Ma'am, tignan mo yung linya. Sir, pagbalik sa linya.
Yung
Linya.
Ayan, so balik po tayo. So this will be the linear park po, no? Ang linear park po mula entrance at exit, open po yan. Meaning, open po yan hanggang dun sa Tower 1 sa dulo. So balik po ako dito para yan. So ang linear park mula sa entrance, tuloy-tuloy po yan, wala po yung cut hanggang Tower 1. So if you notice, ang Tower 1, wala pong residential sa ground floor, it's because of the amenity. It's because of the linear park. So mamaya I'll show you the layout ng ating ground floor para mas maintindihan nyo siya. Okay?
Yung commercial nyo, 4 days lang.
Yes po. Okay. For the commercial, wala pa po kaming final na info kung for list lang siya or for sale. But to give you idea po, all our project for sale po ang commercial. Okay? Hindi ko lang sure with yung town kung same po. Alright? So yan, moving forward, ayan na po ang ating linear part, mga possible na maging commercial area. And ayan po, pag condo living, it's really hard to invite more guests, more friends, relatives, no? Or friends. It's because of the limited space. Ngayon po, marami tayong mga benchmark na pwede nyong tambayan. No? Kung gusto nyo mag-meeting dyan, makipag-mingle dyan, pwede. No? Hindi nyo na kailangan umakyat sa unit. You have a lot of open space po dito kay Newtown. And of course, our basement multi-purpose court. This basement multi-purpose court is located on Tower 1. And if you notice, those are the basement parking. And of course, ito po nakita nyo, ito pa lang po yung pinaka-ground floor ng Newtown. And ang meron po dyan is the swimming pool. The swimming pool is located on Tower 2. Okay? So nasa Tower 2 po ang swimming pool, pero ang pinakamaganda dyan, ayan, this is the basketball court. Pag na-turn over na both projects or both towers, magkakadikit lang po sila. Okay? Again, this is the kids and adult pool. And of course, we have the jogging path and playground. So, ang maganda po sa atin, puro outdoor, no? Even the swimming pool, outdoor siya. Even the basketball court, outdoor siya. So, Newtown is considered also as a resort style oasis. Dahil po, ang swimming pool natin, it's not located on the middle of the building. Hindi po tayo gumamit ng amenities na nasa loob, no? Talagang ang swimming pool natin, it's a separate lote siya. No? Hindi siya nasa gitna or roof deck. Wala siya sa tower, nasa ground floor siya. Okay?
So, please.
And of course, this is our lobby. It's a fully air-conditioned lobby. And ayan na po yung roof deck. Alam niyo po, diba, lagi ko sinasabi, we are not after the profit. No? The developer is not after the profit. It's always on the client's satisfaction. So would you imagine if we have 32 units, no, on this floor, sinacrifice ni Wicom yung 35 units. Magkakano ang unit natin? Sabihin natin 5 million. 5 times 25 o 35. Ilang million po yun? Diba? Would you imagine ilang million ang sinacrifice niya just for you to have another space or amenities? Kasi pwede naman po niya itong gawing mga units pa. Diba? Pero ginawa na lang niya kung amenities as a common area. Para kung pag-stress kayo, you can go upstairs, pag-unwind kayo sa roof deck. Okay? So again, pag-unwind lang po ha, there's no other option. Clear? Okay. So moving forward, ayan po, this is our co-working space. Located po ito sa Tower 2. So, ang pinaka-mag-benefit nito, sino? Aside from the students. The parents. No worry, free na ang parents. Kasi normally, anak, nasan ka after school? Nasa coffee shop ako, gagawa ako ng assignment. Magre-review ako. But, through the use of this co-working space, anak, nasan ka? Mami, nasa baba lang ako ng condo. Nasa study area ako. So would you imagine, no? Ang laking part as a parents na alam ko, ang anak ko, after school, nasa condo na siya at dito na lang siya nagre-review, hindi na sa labas. Okay, so everyone, please do the highlights of the use and the benefits of this co-working space. Okay? So malay natin 24 hours siya, di ba? Okay?
Ano po ka naman?
Okay, this one, I don't know yet gano'n siya kalaki doon sa area ng Tower 2, but it can accommodate 100 of the 100 students.
Okay.
Okay? So, Of course, to maintain your healthy lifestyle, we also have our gym section. And of course, function room. So if you have events, you can rent it out. This function room can cater 150 to 200 guests. Okay? And ito na po yung pinaka-area renter of amenities natin. Okay, so yan na po yung ating swimming pool, basketball court, children's playground, jogging pad, linear park, di ba? So, ito po no, i-check nyo lang po no, this will be the tower 4, itong area na to. Okay? So, pag po ang unit ng client nyo facing this area, meaning tower 4 po ang magiging facing niyan. Pero please take note, before the building, meron po tayong guided or linear park. So, meaning in terms of the building, hindi sila magkaka-dikit-dikit. May ample space siya. No? So, kasi baka yun yung maging concern ng client. Ay, ayoko sa Tower 4. Ay, sa area na to ng Tower 1. Kasi andito ang Tower 4. Again, in terms of the ventilation, wala tayong magiging problema. Kasi maluwang pa po no, yung area natin dito before itatalog yung building 4. Okay? And of course, ito na po yung building facade ng Tower 1 and Tower 2. And ayan na. This is the full New Town Tasman community. Okay? So ito na po yung ating 440,000 square meter. Again, magkakaiba po sila ng height or floors. Okay? So please take note that Tower 1 and Tower 2 has 12 floors. Okay, Tower 1 and Tower 2, 12 floors. Pagdating po sa Tower 3, 4, and 5, 10 floors. At pagdating po sa 6 and 7, 8 floors. Pabawas po siya ng pabawas. So parang hagdanan po siya. So in terms of the ventilation, well, we are well ventilated. Wala pong magiging blockings ng hangin, no? So again, we are very well ventilated. Are we clear with the floorings? Tower 1, Tower 2, 12 floors, 3, 4, and 5, 10 floors, and 6 and 7, 8 floors. Are we clear? Okay, kasama po yan sa exactly. Okay? Alright, so this is our Tower 1 building breakdown. Okay? So on our ground floor, we have 17 units. Bakit siya 17 units na ang mga relator? Then we also have 26 units on the second floor. Pagdating po sa third floor, up to the upper penthouse or 12-story or 12 floors, we have the typical residential floor plan. Ibig sabihin, mula third floor hanggang penthouse, iisa po ang layout at number ng floor ng units. So we have 32 units per floor. Are we clear?
Okay.
Ground floor, 17 units. Second floor, 26 units. Third floor up to the penthouse or up to the upper floor, 32 units per floor. Or ang tinatawag natin typical residential floor plan. Okay? So ngayon, i-check na po natin yung mga units natin kung saan yung 1 bedroom, 2 bedrooms, and 3 bedrooms. Do we have 3 bedrooms and 2 bedrooms? Okay. So eto na po yung mga unit offerings natin. So kanina, sabi ko, because of the linear park, wala po tayong units on this area. No? Yung Tower 1 sa ground floor, wala pong units dito sa area na to. It's because of what?
Linya.
It's because of the linear park. No? Kinain po siya ng linear park or nilagyan po siya ng linear park. And we only have how many units? 17 units lang on the ground floor. And ang 1 bedroom po natin are located on the end unit. Lahat po after the end unit, na dalawang unit, the 1 bedroom, those are all studio with 22 square meter. And yung ito po, na violet na nakita natin, that is 21.45 square meter. But still studio lang po siya. Okay? And of course, you have 3
Bagay ang
elevators.
tatanong
But
mo
of
pa
course, it's ground floor kayo.
Bagay ang
Hindi
tatanong
na
mo
kayo
ba yun?
gagamit ng elevator or even the stairs in case of emergency. Okay? So, kanina po sabi ko, you can combine units, no? Sa combined units po, hindi ibig sabihin na katabi-katabi mo siya, pwede kang mag-combine. Okay? Like 2 and 3, magkatabi or hindi? Pwede po ba silang combine or hindi?
Pwede.
Hindi.
Sabi ni Sir Jun, pwede. Sabi ni Ma'am... Sir, ano ba? First name mo, Ma'am?
Isay po.
Isay. Ma'am Isay, hindi. Or pwede, Ma'am? Sige nga, and well, yes. Ang 2 and 3 po ba, dahil magkadikit, pwede po ba siyang i-combine? Or ang 4 and 5 magkadikit, pwede po ba siyang i-combine? Yes or no?
Only yes.
Okay, yes, yes, no. Nagpalit sa surgeon ng no. Si Ma'am Isay,
Ano po kasi may
no din siya. Okay, how about you, Ma'am? Yes or no?
Pwede i-combine yung simula sa
4 and
gitna.
2 and 3 or 4 and 5, are they allowed to combine?
Hindi.
Okay, the correct answer is, so para tayo lang sa ano, no? Okay, correct.
No?
Hindi po siya pwede i-combine.
Kasi naka-separate.
Ang pwede lang pong i-combine
Yung
are
1 and 2.
perfect red
1
line.
and 2.
Okay? So always, pag po naghanap ang kliyente nyo ng combine, make sure na ito ang hawak ng floor plan. Okay? Lahat po ng perfect red line, those only the units are
1 and 2,
compatible
3 and 4.
or allowed
5
to
and 6.
combine. Okay? So itong 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 16 and 15, 14 and 13, those are not allowed to combine.
Or not but.
Only red lines lang po ang pwede. So bakit?
Ano,
It
intindihin
depends
yan.
on the structure of the unit. Ibig sabihin, may mga poste na hindi pwedeng galawin. At ang pwede lang pong i-combine are mirror unit. Ano po ibig sabihin ng mirror unit? Dapat magkatabi ang kitchen. Or, tama po ba? Dapat magkatabi ang
Magkatabi
kitchen?
ang-
Magkatabi ang what? Not the kitchen. Dapat, pag mirror po, kung andito ang kitchen, dapat andito
Toilet
ang
and bath.
kitchen.
Parang ganito yan, sir. Ginanyan lang.
Yes.
Kailangan back to back.
Back to back siya. Mirror ang tawag doon.
Mirror.
Okay? So, nagkaroon kayo ng idea?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so, clear. Dapat it should be mirror. Pag hindi po mirror ang unit, hindi siya pwedeng i-combine. Okay? So, next. Second floor. Ito po ang layout natin. So, kanina on the ground floor, wala tayong totally units dito. Correct? Tama, mali?
Tama.
May unit po ba?
Wala.
Wala. On the second floor, meron or wala?
Mayroon.
Nagkaroon na.
Mm.
But still, may open space pa rin. Bakit? It's because again of the linear park. Kasi yung halaman, possible umabot hanggang second floor. Are we clear? Clear po ba? Would you imagine because of the linear park, ang daming sacrifice na unit ng developer.
Apat na ka.
Diba? Ilang milyon na naman to. Lalo na dito, sa baba. Ilang milyon ang nawalang unit. Just for you to provide a good ventilation and what? A good linear park. No? So again, pagdating sa second floor, meron na tayong mga units dito sa end, no? Sa corner. We have already one bedroom with balcony and studio with balcony and another studio.
Without one.
Okay? Without balcony. And of course, ito na yung stairs natin in case of emergency. We also have here the stairs in case of emergency. The garbage room is also located on the stairs. Ayan, nandito siya.
Sa gilid.
Nasa gilid. It's a what? It's an open room para sa garbage. No? Hindi na po tayo gumagamit ng garbage chute sa mga condominium. Ngayon po, lahat ng condominiums na may mga garbage chute, nakalock na po. They are not using it. Kahit po well-maintained siya, nang aamoy pa rin. At doon nagkagaling ang mga, doon nabubuhay yung mga mga ipis, di ba? Or mga daga, Doon po sila nanggagaling. Okay? So, ngayon, we only have how many units on the second floor? We have 26 units per floor. And, ito lang po ang pwede natin i-combine. Itong area lang. On this area, wala kang pwede i-combine. And pagdating sa third floor, kumpleto na po, no? Mula third floor hanggang 12 floors or penthouse, we have 32 units per floor. Are we clear?
Saan elevator dyan, sir?
We have 3 elevators. This one will be for the electric. Okay? For electric purposes po itong box na to. And then we have 3 elevators. And then 2 stairs in case of emergency. Okay? All end unit, lahat na nasa dulo, those are all 1 bedroom with balcony. And right after the 1 bedroom with balcony is always the studio with balcony. So, if your client is looking for a studio with balcony, saan kayo magkahanap? Third floor at saan parte? Right after the 1 bedroom. They are all limited. No? Basta po, pag ang kliyente naghanap ng studio with balcony, huwag ka dito maghanap. No? Bakit po dito kayo naghahanap ng studio with balcony? Okay? Again, all studio with balcony are malapit or katabi-katabi ni 1 bedroom na may balcony.
So 12 units yung may balcony per floor
Yes.
sa typical floor.
Yes. Okay? Ngayon po, alam nyo anong advantage natin? Mas malaki ang magiging earnings nyo based on the inventory. Bakit? Kasi po, majority of our open units are all 1 bedroom. Bakit? Because we are almost sold out. Ang natira na lang po on the inventory is the studio with balcony and 1 bedroom with balcony. Good news or bad news? Good news. Dahil pag malaki ang presyo, mas malaki ang commission. Gusto niyo po ba yun?
Pwede siya i-combine, no?
Okay, for the combined unit, ito po siya.
No, I mean sa single, sa may mga balcony. Pwede ba i-combine yung dalawang yan?
Okay, this one,
Hindi po, yung katabi nung dulo na
This one?
yan, tapos yung
Hindi po
katabi
siya.
Saka
na
yung
may
1 bedroom, saka yung may balcony na.
bawal pong i-combine ang studio and 1 bedroom. Okay, kasi si Sir nag-base dito sa kulay ng blue. Okay, so the blue is representing the 1 bedroom for the whole floor.
Dahil parehas siyang may
Pero
balcony,
pagdating
di ba?
dito, hindi po talaga siya pwede. Pero ang good news, pwede kang mag-combine ng with balcony at saka without balcony na studio. Again, let's push the 1 bedroom unit. Mas malaki po ang earnings natin. Okay, so, well, nag-check na po ba kayo ng mga GC? May natanggap na po ba kayo na bagong latest presyo or sample computation sa GC? Sino na po dito nag-open ng GC ng Dreamhouse? Check nyo nga po kung may uploaded na dyan ng computation. Anyone, check nyo nga floor plan. Let's push po our 1 bedroom. So lahat po ng mga latest computation, updated computation are already uploaded on our messenger group chat. No? So pwede po ba sa mga team leader, mag-ingay kayo dyan? Para gayahin din po tayo ng mga ibang team leader, meaning mag-good morning kayo, Sir June, bakit bawal mag-love and like sa mga post namin?
Natatakpan yung mga, ano sir, yung mga update.
Bawal din mag-good morning.